Here's how to export my 36-month trend from QuickBooks. I'm going to go to the Reports tab and click on Profit and Loss. Then adjust the date range so that it's the last 3 years. And click Display columns by months. Then I'll click Export to Excel. If I'm using the classic view, then it's slightly different, where the display columns is over on the left. And once I've done that, I have to click Run Report and scroll all the way to the right to get to the Export to Excel button. And then I'll do the same thing for the balance sheet. Balance sheet from 2022 to date, view by month, and export to Excel.